All right, question number 34. Johnson has 12,000 and Peter has 20,000. Johnson decides to save 500 naira per day, while Peter decides to spend 300 naira per day. After how many days will they have the same amount? Okay, quickly, let's do that. So I'll say, let the day, or let's the number of days equals to X. Then for Johnson, now they said Johnson has 12,000, so he has 12,000. And Johnson decides to save 500 per day. So that means from the 12,000 he has, he's now saving 500 per day. So saving 500 per day. So that would be 500 times number of days he's saving. That's 500 times X. That will give us the current amount that Johnson have. You understand? Now for Peter has 20,000. Okay. And Peter decides to spend 300 naira per day. That means spending. He's not saving. So that means it's a subtraction. That's if he's spending 300 per day, that means you are minus each day, you are minusing 300 from what he has. That's you're minusing 300 from 20,000. So that would be minus 300 times the number of days he's spending. That is for Peter. So now, after how many days will they have the same amount? If J represents the amount for Johnson after some number of days, X, and P represents the amount for Peter after a number of days, X. So the day that both of them will have the same amount. So that means we are going to equate the equation of Johnson to that of Peter. So that's 12,000 plus 500x will be equals to 20,000 minus 300x. So we have now equated, that's the day that each of them are going to have the same amount. All right, so you equate it. So let's solve this simple equation here now. Okay, this will be collect item. This will be 500x plus 300x equals to 20,000 minus 12,000. So this plus this will give you 800x equals to minus 12 will give you 8,000. So x, which represents the number of days, will be equals to 8,000 divided by 800, which will be 10. So it is in 10 days that the amount that Johnson has will be the same as the amount that Peter has.